Today, we'll talk about the January 2022 housing market stats and the key points that drives the real estate market in 2022 as released by the Toronto Regional Real Estate Board or TRREB this morning. We'll also talk about some recent stats about the real estate market in general. Hello everyone! Lay Villar-Cisneros, founder of Homes by Lay and broker with Right at Home Realty Inc. Today, TRREB releases its market outlook for 2022. The recent consumer survey conducted by IPSOS showed that suburban detached home tops the buyers list for 2022. However, we will see a lower number of first-time home buyers joining the market hunt this year. We saw that because of the pandemic that a lot of home buyers shifted from condo to a single attached and detached homes like townhomes, semi-detached, and detached homes. For those buying in the city, we'll see more demand in the condo apartments because of affordability. As for the homeowners who are very likely to list their home this year, we will see a drop as expected because they fear they will not be able to find another home that meets their needs. We'll see a higher demand for homes amongst the immigrant household due to the net population growth in the GTA driven by immigration. Last year, the rental market has a record of 55,000 transactions after the pandemic-induced downturn. In 2022, we can expect competition to grow stronger as a result of immigration and continued job creation. But again, supply will remain tight and the average rents will recover to the pre-pandemic high or beyond as you are experiencing it now. Now, let's review what happened in 2021. According to the TRREB's report, there are a total of 121,712 homes that sold in 2021, exceeding the previous record of 2016 and also up from 95,066 sales reported in 2022. Demand for new homes continued in 2021 on pace for the third highest year on record. Single-family new home sales started the year up but loses total sales about 20% less in 2021 compared to 2020. Pre-construction transactions for new condominium apartments soared in the city of Toronto and Durham region, led the way for pre-construction sales. Now, let's look at the January 2022 home sales. There were 5,636 sales reported to the TRREB MLS system in January of 2022. This is down by 18.2% compared to January of last year at 6,888. Although this number is down from the year before, it is recorded as second best in history for the month. New listings were down by 15.5% from January last year. Active listing at the end of January amounted to 4,140, which is down by 44% to the lowest level in more than 2 decades. Tight market conditions resulted in a 33.3 annual increase in the MLS Home Price Index Composite benchmark. Similarly, the average sales price was up 28.6% year over year to $1,242,793. Clearly, supply and demand in the Greater Toronto Area real estate market is still the main issue here. In a joint research of TRREB, Toronto Regional Board of Trade, and MARU Public Opinion with regards to the new normal and how real estate needs, employment, and work patterns may shift, they found out that there is a need for a hybrid or flexible post-COVID working arrangement. Employees will find it difficult to return to office full-time as many workers are happier working from home because of freedom and flexibility. Now that we have started opening our economy again, we'll see how this changes. We'll look at this next month. Downtown core offices may not need to accommodate as many people as before COVID as a result of continued working from home, and policies will need to balance the desire to keep working from home while also making use of the office. In this same survey, they found out that 48% of workers that has currently been working from home since the pandemic says miss going to work, but they are happier working from home because of, as we say, freedom and flexibility. 62% of these work-from-home workers will spend more time working from home. Market outlook for 2022. Number 1, total number of home sales will reach 110,000 sales this year. Number 2, 12% increase from last year in home prices, which is about $1.225 million. Number 3, multiple interest rates to come as the Bank of Canada warns us last week as a result of inflation, immigration, and other related things. While home sales will remain strong, it will slightly be less than 2021. How's your borrowing cost in 2022? It will put some would-be buyers' plan on hold. We'll see a lesser pool of buyers entering in 2022 because of affordability. The lack of inventory will push the prices in, with these ridiculously high prices as willing buyers blindly buy what's on the market. The Bank of Canada did not raise its key interest point at 0.25%, but warns an increase by March of 2022. But since we are already testing buyers at a higher benchmark rate, which is currently at 5.25%, this might not affect the buying frenzy that much. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to watch again next time. And feel free to contact us if you have any questions regarding buying, selling, or financing a real estate. And remember, at Homes by Lay, we'll make your real estate dreams come home.